Tired of complicated money transfers? Let's dive into the easiest ways to move funds from your TD account to another bank. First up, online transfers. It's often the most convenient method for secure transactions. Within the United States, you'll need the recipient's bank name, their account number, and their routing number. Log into your TD online banking, look for a section labeled Transfers, Send Money, or External Transfers. From there, you'll usually be prompted to add a new recipient or select an existing one. Carefully enter the recipient's bank information. Double-check everything to avoid any errors that could delay your transfer. You'll then specify the amount you want to send and the date of the transfer. Once you've confirmed the details, the money will be sent electronically. These transfers typically take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the banks involved. For larger sums or international transfers, wire transfers are a reliable option. While they often have higher fees than online transfers, they offer faster processing, sometimes even same-day delivery. You can initiate a wire transfer at a TD bank branch, or sometimes even through online banking. For established recipients, you'll need more detailed information for the recipient, like their full address and the SWIFT BIC code. For international transfers, lastly, consider third-party payment app services like Zelle, Venmo, and PayPal offer instant or near-instant transfers between bank accounts, often with just an email address or phone number. TD Bank directly integrates with Zelle, making it incredibly easy to send money to friends and family directly from your TD app. Just access the Zelle feature within your TD online banking or mobile app, enter the recipient's email or phone number, and the amount. Whether you choose the convenience of online transfers, the speed of wire transfers, or the ease of third-party apps, TD Bank provides multiple ways to move your money securely and efficiently. Choose the method that best suits your needs.